Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your or generate a YouTube logo using an artificial intelligence, and that would be free. Okay, you don't have to pay for anything. So right now I have my channel called Where Is My Doctor, and in this channel I used to talk about the medicine which is effective for people who is suffering from certain disease. So this channel is not taking a lot of attention from the web, but still I just want to change this. Now you have two options. You can either go to PNG tree, something like a free website. You can download any free images as a logo and you can use it on your channel logo, which I've did, you can see. But today I have going for some different approaches, just like we have now Bing AI or the DALI image text to image generator, which is completely free, and you also have Adobe Firefly, which is completely new. So today I'm going to see with Adobe Firefly how we can able to generate a logo using a Adobe Firefly. So let's get started. So let's click on explore, and it's beta currently as of now, right now. So if you're not just seeing this thing, just apply for the beta. You have, if you don't have a account, you can just go for it. It's easy. So maybe I need to sign in, maybe. So let's click on text to image. All right, okay, so it's asking me to sign in, and let me go to sign in. It will take some time. Okay, I have my password saved in Google and a backup email. All right, Yahoo. So let me change the backup email to something called yahoo.com. Okay, so it sent me the code in Yahoo mail. Let me log in. It won't take a very long time, just stay with me, guys. You can see the verification code for Adobe Firefly to here. Alright, so it's all set. Let's continue. Now we are checking out the text to image generation tool, generative AI in Adobe apps. So agree, next, and done. Finally we are on the page of text to image creation. We can see some of the arts that people has been already created with this AI tool. But let's talk about text to image. To do that, we have this prompt section over here. So let's say a animated doctor in Pixar style 8K. That's it. There's a 8K 1080 by 1080 as in a form of logo. Okay, so let's generate and see. Yeah, it will be going to go for a square, so you don't have to do anything. It will be square. So it is generating 4 images, and whatever we like, we will just use it as an picture. Okay, so out of 4 I really like this one. Okay, so it seems like very good YouTube channel logo, and I want it. So let's download this one. I like this result, I love it. And we have clipboard and download. Okay, don't show this again. What is this? Promoting transparency in AI. Adobe is committed to promoting transparency around content generated with AI tools like Adobe Firefly. When downloading content generated with Firefly, content credential will be included, or Adobe will include content credential with all AI generated content. Let 2 people know generated with AI. Alright, applying content credentials. That's fine. Let me see how it is look like. So guys, I think I got a logo, but the problem is we are seeing that this is actually for Adobe Firefly has a watermark, so this looks big. We should need to remove this watermark. To do that, again we are going to take online tools, remove watermark. So add on the website, I just Google it, and I just want to see if this website can be able to remove the watermark that has been generated through the AI platform like Adobe Firefly. Alright, so this website is kind of loading a lot, and let's go to this image. Okay, so now we are talking to this image and we want this as a background free. Remove text, remove logo by pixelpin.io. Okay, okay, so text has been got removed, and let me also removing the logo for sure to see the final version of this picture, so that we can make it own. Alright, the problem is that if we try to remove things from this picture, it's a problem. So let me not remove this. Okay, I don't think this site did a good job. Let me go back and let me try some different AI online video cutter or watermark, AI watermark. Let's do this Wondershare. So it's AI watermark remover. Let me try this as well. Okay, and we have the brush option. Let's remove it, remove objects now. Okay, it's just removing. Let me see. I know the video is going longer, so you can scroll, max, speed up the video. The problem is that if we removing anything from this picture, we can see again see a watermark by this website, which is not fine. So the watermark is actually got removed, but the problem is we still have this. Now we can see the download with a watermark. Let me try to download. I was asking me for a account, and in this point of time I can go with a fake account. So let's go, this doesn't exist. Let's create an account. Alright, so in this way you can able to download, remove the watermark, but this is just a tutorial. I'm not going to download this one because I don't want to waste your time. What I will do, I'll just simply download it as a crop. If I click, I can see in the bigger screen, and what I'll do, I'm just going to crop this. So crop, snipping tool, and click new. Okay, like this, or I can simply say Windows plus print screen to capture the entire image, and we can then crop it by just going to picture or download, or maybe picture, screenshots, and we can see the entire screenshots with this one screenshot. Always open. Now this is the entire screenshots. Now we can also crop it. Okay, edit screen, edit the image, and now we are talking. Okay, let's just save. Alright, we are now have the logo. Where is my talk? And we can cut and go to download and paste here as a logo. And we can now change our YouTube channel logo. So let me go here and change the logo. Change the logo, and there we go. We have changed the logo. Also we can change the logo from the video watermark. Okay, so it's done. I can now publish this. So there you go, guys. You can see then the logo has been changed, and it is now reflecting. Start reflecting over here. It will take some time, I guess, because you can see it's already start reflecting over here. In this way you can be able to generate a logo. Okay, you can generate anything, by the way, but you can generate also logo by just using AI like Adobe Firefly. I hope you enjoy this video. See you in the next one.